Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Sub-Zero 747, and today part 2 underway. I'm so freaking happy, super excited to get this rolling. Hope you guys are too. Let's just jump right into it. So we got the fuel lines, all the stock stuff, stock fuel lines, AC lines. Pretty much, if it's not going to make us go fast, it's got to go. So let's jump over here to the brake calipers. As you guys saw, we'll do a little before and after. Right. Good. We do have to kind of get some of this stuff cleaned up. They didn't mask anything off, unfortunately, but no big deal. That's why you work with the best. Patrick, get us taken care of. No big deal. And we got the front bar already installed. Looks really good, back from powder coating. Got the GT500 heat exchanger on there with the dual fan setup. See if you guys can see the fans in there. Looks really good. That'll help us at the track. Obviously the big radiator. All the AC lines got pulled out. We still have to pull the dash out of the car and get all that stuff wrapped up. And get a piece of aluminum and put it in that hole right there. So we'll be doing some of that. Getting the rest of this stuff kind of cleaned up. As you guys know, the K-member and stuff is already in the car. So we're going to be pulling all the ABS, kind of get rid of all the ABS stuff. Putting new brakes on, getting all the brakes stuff done as well. Rerouting some fuel lines and, you know, all the odds and ends. But yeah, it's definitely come together. We're going to get rid of these stock springs, the H&R drag springs, or I think they're sports. I can't really remember which ones these are. But we have the Lethal Performance drag springs now, so they finally came in, which is great. Then what else we got? Got the P&R kit back here, just kind of waiting on the pump. P&R is having issues with pumps, so that's all we need is a pump for that. But all right, guys. Patrick hit me with some great idea, relocating the fuse box to down here where that turbo hole was. So we got it right here. He's currently making a badass bracket for it. It'll lay here and cover up this hole. It's going to be sweet. We're also going to get rid of this evaporator core. Sorry, guys. We got the heater core that needs to be pulled as well. When we pull the dash, we'll go ahead and get all that stuff done. But we pulled the rest of the AC lines, got all that stuff out, factory fuel lines, and all that good stuff. Just kind of really cleaning up the engine bay and get prepared for the engine building to go down and all that good stuff. So currently doing all the brakes right now. Thank you guys for staying with us through. If you've made it this far, I know it's gonna be a longer video, but we're doing a full complete rebuild kit to the calipers. Here's what they look like powder coated. Obviously nothing, no pistons, seals, or anything inside this one. This one's complete, ready to be mounted up. Looking good, looking really good. So stay with us, and thank you guys again. If you haven't already, make sure you like and subscribe. It really helps us out. Thank you guys so much. We have completed the brake job. Went ahead and painted the Cobra letters black myself. Got all that dialed in. Got all the brakes completely done around the car. What a nightmare. Rebuilding the entire kit is a pain in the ass. They actually tell you in the service manual not to rebuild the rears. You can rebuild the fronts, but it tells you do not rebuild the rears. We did. I can see why now. It's definitely a pain in the ass. But we went ahead and rebuilt these 100%. All new pistons, seals, the whole 9 yards. It was interesting to see how the front's not so bad. The rears are definitely a pain. We'll get to those once we get over there. You guys already know about the fuse box relocation. We're currently making a bracket. He has a few more stuff to build. But today, what we're going to focus on is we're going to go ahead and get this cleared up. We're going to pull the dash out. We're going to get this nice and neat. Pull this out, this AC VAP core. Get that all out of there. We're going to go ahead and swap the heater cores. I already got a brand new heater core. Nothing wrong with that one, but I just don't want to pull the dash out ever again. As you can see, the motor for the wiper blades, wiper blade motor is completely gone. We took all that out as well. I've got a carbon fiber from Carbon Driven coming in with the delete. It's going to look really, really nice. Went ahead and cleaned everything up. Don't mind the glass. It's dirty, but that's kind of where we're at on that. Show you guys this rear brake. Already started putting tires on it. But yep, the rears are nice on there. Not too bad. Got all the brake lines routed. Little dark back there. Sorry about that. But we did sell the wheels and tires on the Cobra. They're gone. We got new drag stuff coming in. Not going to spoil it. That'll be coming up here soon. So we're going to go ahead and pull the entire dash out of the car, get the heater core in, pull the seats out, and start fixing up, swap ECUs, get all that good stuff set up. And we'll come back to you guys. Guys, so we got the rear bumper off. Got this bar pulled out because we're going with a MAF bumper. With the charcoal, we're right at 41 pounds. Currently with that. Working on getting the dash out. Working on that. Doing the back as well real quick. Got a MAF bumper going on in the back. Had to pull her down off the lift. Kind of get that going real quick. And yes, it will match the front. We're going to go ahead and do it in blue as well. All right, get back to it. All right, guys, so we got the dash completely out of the car. Doing a bunch of wiring stuff. Well, Patrick is fixing a bunch of wiring currently. It's a mess. The other owners of the car just chopped it up to a fucking mess. So it is definitely going back together. Got all that pulled out. Putting in all the harnesses, rewiring the entire car, obviously. Let me kick this light on for you guys. You guys can kind of see that. Completely got the dash out of the car. Going ahead and wiring everything up right now, getting everything nice and neat and cleaned up. Show you guys, we did pour out the core, the evap core for the AC. Got all that out. Show you guys exactly how much weight we actually pulled out of the car. So this is including the rear end piece, obviously, and then we put a MAF bumper bar on the back. We're currently at 45 pounds. That's the AC, evap core, charcoal filter, and the rear bumper. So not bad at all. And minus 10 pounds for the new rear bumper MAF bumper support. Not bad at all, really. That's kind of where we're at. Check out the new wheels. Nah, I'm just kidding. So we got those new wheels coming. We're going to be doing a reveal on those as soon as we get everything together. But it's kind of where we're at right now. Here we go. We're going to jump back into working. All right, guys. So here we go. We'll jump right back into it. So we got the AC VAP cover installed. Looking super clean. Super clean there. Freaking absolutely super happy with that. Got the wire tuck all done. Super clean there as well. All the wiring harnesses is about 80% complete. Engine bay is about done. Really just got the engine to install and trans and all that stuff. Drop the K-member back out of it and get that stuff wrapped up. But we will go ahead and get these nice hood vents. They're coming in. So let's move over, pick up this light here. A little dark here in the shop. So we got the carbon fiber cowl, wiper cowl coming in as well. It's a race delete, so no more wipers, obviously. As you guys seen, we pulled the motor and the wipers. Save weight, don't need it where we're going. Go ahead, show you guys the dash real quick. We got all of that stuff wired in. We left the radio out, left all the AC and heat and stuff out of it for right now. Kind of running out of time here, as we'll be headed to Dallas tomorrow for a Terminator event. So that'll be awesome. But that's all back in and all wired up, ready to roll. Just got a few more stuff left. Show you guys the back bumper is back on the car with that rear delete that we did with the MAF. Pulled off the rear bumper support. All right, let's jump into it and show you guys how much weight we actually saved. You guys, I'm freaking happy about this. Really makes me happy. I love saving weight. We are at 55 pounds. I don't know if you guys can see that. There you go, 55 pounds. So what we got here is that foam piece. We've got the foam piece for the bumper, the rear bumper support. Then we have the AC evap core. Then we have the rear bumper support itself. We've got the wiper blade motor. I said mower. Then we got the charcoal filter there. Believe it or not, this charcoal filter actually weighs quite a bit. Probably 10 pounds, give or take. 30, 35 pounds. You know, it all adds up really quick. We're at 55 pounds total. That's crazy. So, all right. Thank you guys so much for watching and watching this far in the video. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack.